Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today let's learn how to write English alphabets with phonic sounds. Let's start with colors. Orange color, yellow color, green color, red color, pink color, black color, blue color. Now let's start writing. I'm writing letter A. A says A. The phonic sound of A is A. Apple. Letter B. B says B. Ball. Orange color. Letter C. C says K. Cat. Letter D. D says D. Dog. E says elephant. F says fish. G says goat. H says horse. I says igloo. J says joker. K says kangaroo. L says lion. M says monkey. N says nest. O says orange. P says peacock. Q says quail. R says rabbit. S says snake. T says tiger. U says umbrella. V says van. W says wolf. X says xylophone. Y says yo-yo. Z says zebra. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you on my next video. Bye-bye.